Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are my videos? Share your opinion in the comment box. In the previous video, I discussed about irrational numbers. In this today's session, I am discussing about terminating, non-terminating, repeating decimal forms. First of all, what is the definition of a terminating decimal? Let x be a rational number if it can return in the form of p by q such that its denominator should be in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Then it is a terminating decimal. Ex 13 by 25, etc. Second one, non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal means let x be a rational number and expressed in p by q form. Such that its denominator cannot be written in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n, and the numbers will continue. And they have no end. Then it is a non-terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Example 1 by 7, etc. Non-terminating decimals numbers do not end and continue. That's why non-terminating decimals are also known as repeating or recurring decimals. Let us see some questions based on this topic. Right. Question is, write the following rational numbers in their decimal form. Also state which are terminating and which have non-terminating repeating decimal. Solution. First one, 3 by 8. That implies this can be written as 3 by 2 cube into 5 power 0. Since a naught is equal to 1, that implies it is a terminating decimal. It can be written in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. Second question. 229 by 400. This can be written as 229 by 2 into 200. This cannot be written in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So, it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Third one, 4 1 by 5. Mixed fraction, 5 into 4, 20 plus 1 by 5. 21 by 5. This can be written as 21 by 5 power 1 into 2 power 0. Denominator in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So, it is a terminating decimal. Question number 2. Today do this question is, friends, state whether the following are terminating and non-terminating decimals. First one 13 by 3125, second one 11 by 12, third one 15 by 1600, fourth one 29 by 343. Post your answer in the comment box, friends. Make your opinion as comment and keep in comment box. I am sure that I will read all your comments and give reply to your comments, friends. Once again, thank you for watching my video, friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, friends. Bye bye.